Hey, suckers, you ready for driver's ed? My name is Mr. Who Dalla Ding Dalla Ring Dong Dong, but if you'd rather call me by my American name, it's Mr. Jefferson.
Can I sniff your butthole?
Nigga, please, just sit down and listen to what I have to say. I'm the driver's ed teacher. Today we're going to be learning about mufflers. Funny name. Suckers, the muffler's in the back of the car. It's where the exhaust comes out.
Is it like a butthole?
Well, I guess you could say that, Murray. Now sit down.
No, you sit down, Mon. I'm going to find myself a muffler so I can sniff the car's butthole.
That nigga crazy.
A muffler. That doesn't smell like no butthole. Wait a second.